Checking your account balance on Western Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Visit the Western Union website. Go to the official Western Union website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account information. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Account or Account Information. This section will contain details about your account, including your balance. Step 4. Check your balance. In the Account Information section, you should see your current balance displayed prominently. Take note of this amount for your records. Step 5. Log out safely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a public or shared computer. This helps protect your personal information. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Western Union. Always ensure you are using secure methods to access your financial information.